Hi there, it is design time. Welcome guys in Efficient Graphic Design channel, and what we want to do today is crop image inside of text. It is a very useful technique we can use, so I will show you how to do that. Let's jump in Photoshop. But before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I place the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will reply. So to begin, we will create a new document with the HD resolution. So we unlock the original layer and we will add a new layer. So we add the new layer. We go to Edit, Fill, and we will fill the layer with one color. To make the background, we choose the color we want. We will choose a blue one. We want the background to be blue, and we will use the text tool to insert the text. So we draw the text tool into the background. We delete the default text coming with the tool, and we write our text. For example, we will write cutout. We select the text and we will make it a little bigger, changing the size. I think that's good. That's enough for the text. I think it's big enough. We will go to the style of the text and we will change it from regular to bold. We select the text, we go to the style, we change it to bold to make it more clear and more visible. We position the text in the middle of the background. That's perfect. Now we will go to the image we want to cut it into the text. We unlock the layer and we drag the image, we drag it to our document in front of the text. Like you can see, the image layer is the first on the top, and under it there is the text. Okay, I right click in the image and I will choose the option Create Clipping Mask. And that is the result. The image is cut into the text. Like you can see now, if I move the image, it will move into the text. That's how I make this great technique using the Clipping Mask. Clipping Mask in the image is created and affects just the layer behind the image, which is the layer of the text layer. Like you can see now. I can also remove this Clipping Mask at any time I want. So I can remove the layer mask, the Clipping Mask. Like you can see, the image is shown in its real state. Right click, create Clipping Mask, and it's magic. The image is cut into the text. So I can move the image into the text. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up. And if you have any issues, leave me a comment and I will reply. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorials.